A method is a block of code that performs a specific task. It allows developers to encapsulate functionality in a reusable way. Each method has a defined access modifier, return type, method name, parameters, and a body. The access modifier determines the visibility of the method, while the return type indicates what type of value it will return or if it does not return anything. For example, a method can be defined to add two integers and return their sum. When the method is called, it executes the code within its body using the provided parameters. If you mark a method with the async modifier, you can use the await operator within the method. The return keyword also stops the execution of the method. If the return type is void, a return statement without a value is still useful to stop the execution of the method.